Bitcoin is breaking out right now. All of the Bitcoin liquidity is sitting at the top side. The Bitcoin funding rates are still very low. And Bitcoin history is exactly repeating. We are going to need to be talking about that exactly. We are about to hit that stage where we are about to explode parabolically. Need to be talking about Ethereum and altcoin season because this golden cross has just flashed. Altcoin season is about to start. So guys, can we once again push up the likes back above the 250 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into what's that short term for Bitcoin. And yes, I have been saying for the last couple of days that the Bitcoin chart is still looking very good. We are still consolidating. We have been breaking this one out towards the upside. We are right now perfectly retesting this breakout over here. So let's see if we are going to be seeing a bounce from off this level. If we are going to be seeing this bounce and a break even higher, well then we need to be breaking above this level of resistance over here. If Bitcoin can be breaking above this level of resistance, then I think Bitcoin is going to be easily pushing towards these new all-time highs. And my target has still been that 110k level. I've been saying this for many times. I think that Bitcoin is going to be reaching that 110k level. Now this is just going to be the only and last level of resistance we need to be breaking above, and then we're going to be easily reaching that 110k level in my opinion. So let's see if we're going to be doing that. I mean, Bitcoin has still been creating these bearish divergences. We have been creating this rising wedge pattern, but more on that exactly a little bit later. Now yeah, what is still making me feel very bullish at these high levels for Bitcoin is the Bitcoin funding rates, because the Bitcoin funding rates are still trading extremely low, literally at these neutral levels. And while Bitcoin is still pushing towards new highs, well, people and Bitcoin traders are still trying to short, meaning more liquidity is being built up on the top side. And you can clearly be seeing on this graph over here, there's still a lot of liquidity sitting at the top side. So more short squeezes are going to be inevitable, and this is just because of these low Bitcoin funding rates. As long as the funding rates are going to be this low, I still do think that Bitcoin is going to be easily pushing even higher. On top of that, we can also see that still the 3-month annualized basis is still at very low levels, meaning that still there's not a lot of speculation going on in the Bitcoin market. Not a lot of people are trading and speculating heavily, and if people are trading, well, they're actually trading short, which is a very bullish thing going on right now. Majority of the Bitcoin market is right now driven by spot Bitcoin buying. So yeah, just like this tweet over here explains, I cannot explain how absolutely bullish this is currently. So yeah, anyways, the short term is still looking very good. My target is going to be that 110k level when Bitcoin can be breaking above this level of resistance over here. Let's see when that is going to be happening. Anyways, we are still trading inside of a very bullish month, the month of December, and historically speaking, December has been a very bullish month for Bitcoin, especially in Bitcoin halving years, in election years, which we are currently, of course, trading in. And like you can be seeing in this screenshot over here and this screenshot over here, you can easily be seeing that December and Christmas have always been very bullish in halving years. So yes, I do still think that it is going to be very likely that Bitcoin history is about to be repeating, and we're still going to be seeing another rally towards the upside. Even though Bitcoin is creating this rising wedge formation, well, we've already been seeing this during last year, during this cycle over here. And eventually we just traded inside of this consolidation, and then we broke it towards the upside. And yes, this is a typical bearish biased pattern, but regardless, Bitcoin still pushed even higher and still broke it towards the upside. So I do think with the data we are getting right now, this is once again going to be very likely to be playing out again. Let's see if that is going to be happening. Anyways, if we are going to be having a look into what's Bitcoin history is exactly being repeated of last year, of this traded section over here. It's exactly repeating also in that imminent short term, and we are just about to hit that parabolic stage right now. We are about to be hitting that 50 EMA, and during last year, after hitting that 50 EMA, well, that was the moment where Bitcoin started to explode and started to go exponential towards the upside. So let's see if Bitcoin history over here is about to be repeated once again. And there's another fractal in play as well in the market, this one over here, and it is once again exactly repeating. So if one of these fractals were to be playing out, well, literally Bitcoin is about to be going parabolic again. I mean, I do not think that this is a coincidence. I definitely do think that Bitcoin is about to be exploding. Also, of course, we have been having Thanksgiving, and in halving years, Bitcoin has always been going parabolic. So getting so many bullish signals right now in the market. Anyways, before talking about Ethereum and altcoin season, because this signal is going to be huge for the Ethereum price. Well, before talking about that exactly, guys, if you're going to be getting interested in trading that imminent short term right now, make sure to be checking out that link down below, because with that link down below, you can right now be claiming an insane deposit bonus, and you can be trading anywhere around the world without any KYC. Now, be sure to be checking it out if in your country you're going to be eligible to be trading. But yeah, there is no KYC, so everyone is eligible to sign up an account. So on top of that, you can be claiming some insane deposit bonuses. So make sure to be checking it out with that link down below. Anyways, having a look into the spot Bitcoin ETF inflows. Spot Bitcoin ETF inflows still looking very good. Yesterday we have had another inflow of about $600 million US, and I've been saying already for so many times, as long as we're still going to be seeing these huge amount of inflows, Bitcoin is still going to be pushing even more towards the upside. So right now the trend is still definitely looking bullish. This is looking good. Ethereum ETF inflows are also starting to pick up, which is definitely no coincidence, because Ethereum is looking very good at this moment. Now, need to be talking about that exactly. First of all, talking about the Bitcoin cycle top. Well, the cycle top is not yet in my opinion. We are getting closer and closer, but right now, this is not yet a moment we should be getting worried or we should be panicking yet. If we're going to be having a look into some on-chain analysis, well, the on-chain analysis is suggesting that yes, right now, we are starting to get towards these overheated areas, but we are not at these cycle top areas just yet. So I'm not getting worried right now at this current moment. There is still a lot more room for potential left for the Bitcoin price, and especially for altcoin season, because the Bitcoin dominance is right now finally breaking towards the downside. We are seeing this confirmed retest of a break towards the downside. So I think the Bitcoin dominance is about to crash hard towards the downside. Altcoin season is getting started right now. All of the market dominance is starting to flow from Bitcoin in towards altcoins. Altcoins are about to be exploding right now. And if we are going to be having a look into Ethereum, Ethereum is right now testing a crucial level of resistance. If we can be breaking above this level of resistance over here, well, that new all-time high is just going to be next. I've been saying it ever since the bottom over here for Ethereum. Everyone has been fading Ethereum, but I've been buying Ethereum like heavily. And yeah, it has been playing out very well as of for right now. So Ethereum against the Bitcoin pair, I think it is about to be exploding whenever we're going to be breaking this downtrend over here, and eventually it's going to be inevitable. And whenever we're going to be breaking this downtrend, Ethereum is going to be picking up so much dominance against Bitcoin. Anyways, if we're going to be having a look into some more signals, well, the altcoin market capitalization divided by Bitcoin is showing immense amounts of strength right now, with this huge bullish divergence right now being created. So yeah, altcoins compared towards the Bitcoin pair, I think are about to be absolutely exploding. And if you are going to be having a look into Ethereum, well, Ethereum has just gotten this bullish crossover here, and both of these two times, it has been presenting us with a very good and very bullish buying opportunity. So yeah, it is happening once again, looking very good for the Ethereum price. Anyways, history is exactly repeating. Altcoin season is getting started exactly right now after the halving, after the elections. Anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.